My name is Kylie, and today I just wanted to quickly hop on and give my review on these Nordic Ware baking sheets. So this size is actually the half sheet. They do come in 6 different sizes, so whatever you are trying to do, whatever size you need, they will have it, which is amazing. And then one thing to keep in mind with these, they are 100% aluminum. So if you're baking or cooking with like lime, lemon, tomatoes, anything acidic, you're gonna want to use like a silicone protector, like the ones that line the bottom or something like that. Also, these have a really good warranty if you're using them correctly. They have a lifetime warranty and they are rust proof. So if you are in a area that is prone to rust, these will not rust, which is amazing. They're easy to clean and dishwasher safe, and I love them. I would definitely recommend this product.